When sending your emails, there's always the chance it'll end up in the spam folder or your emails will be marked as spam. There are a variety of reasons why your email may end up in the spam folder, and ISPs like Gmail and Yahoo aren't going to share what triggers their filters. Your subscribers may also mark your emails as spam, hurting your deliverability. But following a few basic best practices can really save you a lot of trouble. The absolute best practice to avoid the spam folder is the confirmation email. You can change your confirmation settings under list options in Aweber, and you can have people confirm to sign up when they sign up to your sign-up form, or when you get imported, or when they are added via the API. So you can use this toggle to change that, and of course, as a best practice, we recommend you keep those on. Now, editing the actual confirmation email is simple. You can choose from one of our pre-created subject lines, or even customize your own. And then you can edit the actual body of the email here. So we can edit the header, or even change the button text, and even add a signature if we wanted to. So now anybody receiving this email and clicking that button will be confirmed to be on our list. Remember, any of your subscribers can mark your email as spam, so make sure that the people who are on your list actually requested to receive your emails. Also, your subscribers may mark your emails as spam if you're not sending relevant content, so make sure your content is consistent to what they signed up to receive. So go ahead, try customizing your confirmation email today, and if you don't have an Aweber account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.